Cobalt eats these flexible discs up big time. It's a harder metal than titanium. That's how hard it is. And titanium's a bitch. Alright. So, you really got to bear down on this stuff. You would never bear down like this on silver or copper or gold or anything else. Maybe titanium would be the only one. See how hard I'm pushing on that thing? I would never do that with silver, push that hard. It would just remove that cheek. I'm gonna switch up on these wheels real quick. Give me a smaller diameter. Shit is so fucking hard. Bearing down as hard as I am right now with this hard wheel, it would have taken the other stamps clean off. Getting there. See, I could have done probably 5 or 6 silver rings by now. Woo! That almost went right out of my fingers. Oh, and there's still roughness.
Hold on.
I mean, it's pretty fucking good, but it's not. It's not where I would want silver. But, I mean, it is and it isn't. I mean, it's fuck. I still got some work. Some hard shit, man. So now we'll heat it up. Yeah, you can't heat it too fast because you'll miss your color index if you heat it too fast. Not that you have all control, but you have a little bit. See, that's the first color. You see how it's kind of platinum, and then it'll go a little bit like gold. So if that's the color I wanted, I would stop right there. But if the flame doesn't touch it, it won't go color. So you really gotta. It's like painting. Look how pretty that is now. See that? It's really starting to happen now. So if I stop there, it'd be gold bronze, you know. Watch this. This is really cool. I love this. Look at those blues come in. That looks cool. I think we'll let that cool. It'll have that real kind of, it'll have those golds, but it'll have the blues, and it'll be really cool. Isn't that wild? Yeah. So by hitting those ears extra, like getting those ears extra hot, I kick that light blue, but where it's thicker, it's going to be a darker, like a purpley, but inside of the ears, it's really cool. Because this old anvil will pull the heat out. I shouldn't antique it this hot, so I'll cool it a little bit. Usually you're heating it, but this is cooling it. And this lighting sucks. If you really want to see it, take it outside.